So you saw me start Speedy Gonzales with a time lapse, but I'm making such interesting marks that I thought I'd stop the video and, well, just show you. Maybe I'll grab the camera and show you close up as well, because there's that many layers and textures on this painting that when I'm going over with this roller and this, as you saw me mix this beautiful green gold and white, I'll just show you the effects that I'm getting. Well, I'm going to grab the camera and show you close up. So my hand may be a little bit wobbly, but you'll get the idea. You see all these textures underneath. I'm going over with this roller and I hope it's coming through on the camera. I don't know how close I can get before it starts going blurred, but look at that. I'm really into at the moment, well, I don't want to say destroying what I've done already. Of course I'm not destroying it, I'm enriching it. Yeah, I like that word. I'm enriching it. I'm just going to spin the canvas around. So that was on top. I just spun it around and I'm not sure whether I want to continue with that. Maybe just a little bit more. It's because I'm loving it so much. Okay, I'm going to put the camera back in the holder. It's really amazing that when you get just an urge to do something, like, you know, what's calling to me today, I grabbed that green gold paint and this roller, and, well, I think that you've got to react to those intuitive calls and just go with it. What should I do next? What's calling me now? It's calling me to take off a layer, not put a layer on. So this was calling to me next, this teal blue, and I'm feeling light. I'm feeling like I want to lighten this up. So I've added some white and I'm going to grab a brush. Come straight out of water, this brush, so it's quite runny. I'm going to add a little bit of that green gold in. And yeah, I think I'll go here. I like how this is echoing this, so keep that for a while. Maybe I'll put the speed back on. When I go over with another layer, I like to get the end of a paintbrush or something sharp. Oh, I've got a chopstick here, that'll do it. And I like to scrape in. I should go and grab my phone and zoom in again to show you this, because something really lovely is happening. I'll do it. So I find that when I zoom in from a distance, that these interesting marks that I make don't really turn out on the video when it's really zoomed in after the effect. So I'm just going to try and get myself off the shadow. And show you that when you scrape in, I'm going to try and talk not while I'm scratching, that you reveal these little, I like to call them memories. I hope it's not making too much of a mix matchy video, but like I said, it's difficult when I zoom in after to get these lovely, well, really quite beautiful effects on camera. And these are all the little extras that, all I like to think of it is, if you see a painting from across a room and you're drawn to it for whatever reason, and then when you zoom in and you make all these lovely extra discoveries, well, they're like little treats. That's quite nice that way, doesn't it? Stand back. Quite like this. I feel like I want to pull it down a little bit more. I'm getting more and more abstract. Doesn't mean to say I won't come back to a little bit of semi-abstract, but you know, just playing around. I don't want to lose my, you know, I've always got this battle with space, so more white. Thinking about contrasts, starting to think a little bit about composition. So if I want these blue marks, which look very similar in size, to have some contrast, then I think I need to make these a bit bigger. So something a bit interesting's happened. This collage paper that I stuck on, well, I scratched it a little bit and it came in, and then I just pulled it all off. So it makes a really nice, ooh, whoops. I could stick it somewhere else, or I could save it for another painting. I might have a little play with that after, but this has been revealed, so I may just go over that and then do a little bit of scratching back to get these bright colours back. So I'll just mix up some more paint and then I'll do that. So I've mixed up this turquoise, and oh, I'm standing on the collage. See, there's a little bit of turquoise here, so just feel like going over with this. Maybe not everywhere. Or maybe everywhere. Need even more. It's this Liquitex teal, but it's mixing with the other colours on my palette, so I quite like that. Okay, let's have a little scratch. Maybe I'll turn it round so you see it better. I just grabbed the camera again, so just let me get myself out of the way. I feel like I just want to come right the way down with that, but maybe don't really like those shapes anyway, so let's send those back. So, had a play around, and well, it's not working because I know why it's not working. It's because I'm seeing something in it. I'm seeing, because last night was a really weird moon. It was a really slight crescent moon, but you could see the whole circle of the moon, if that makes sense. My daughter said it looked like an eclipse. Maybe I should make that more eclipsy. So I'm thinking, I started thinking moon and thinking back to last night, and when you start, or me, when I start kind of placing the imagery, then I lose that being in the moment, because I'm trying to make it into something, and well, I think I have to stop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop there. And so anyway, the moon's gone. Maybe I will make a slither, but we live in front of a big river, so that reflection, a lot of my work is about the river at the moment, and building up the layers and reflecting back to the rivers I enjoyed in my childhood. And well, that is this ongoing series. I'm gonna go because all this collage paper that fell off is sticking to my feet, and it's a really lovely sunny afternoon, well, evening now. I don't even know what time it is, but so I'm going to go out and enjoy a little bit of sunshine. If you feel the pull to create meaningful artwork, then do come and join my free online class on creating meaningful artwork. Well, you can see all the details of that below, and hope to see you there. It will be a live online meet room, so I'll be on live and you can ask questions and all the other stuff. So maybe I'll see you there. Other than that, I will see you next time for maybe moving on with this one or one of the others. Got quite a few stacked up at the minute working in this series, so I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Au revoir.